Jai Hind student, welcome to English class. So students, today we will start a very interesting topic of grammar, that is transitive and intransitive verbs. Now before starting transitive and intransitive verbs, the first thing is that you should know what is verb. Verb होता क्या है ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. Then only you will be able to understand the concept of transitive and intransitive verbs. So, what are verbs? Verbs are the action words, you can say. So, verbs are the action words. For example, singing, dancing, eating, going. So, these all are the action words. So, they are termed as verb. Now, verbs, they are categorized into two types. That is the transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. Now first we will study about transitive verbs. Now when the verb has an object that receives the action of a verb, it is called transitive verb. Now what does this mean? Now object. First you should understand what is object. Object क्या होता है? ऑब्जेक्ट जो है द पर्सन और थिंग दैट रिसीव्स द एक्शन ऑफ द वर्ब. जो भी पर्सन या जो भी कोई भी चीज़ जो वर्ब का एक्शन रिसीव करती है, एक्शन ऑफ द वर्ब. ठीक है, वर्ब जो है एक्शन वर्ड्स होते हैं, तो वो एक्शन जो है देयर हैज़ टू बी समबडी टू रिसीव दैट एक्शन. तो जो रिसीव कर रहा होता है उसको हम बोलते हैं ऑब्जेक्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई से द बॉयज़ आर प्लेइंग हॉकी. नाउ प्लेइंग इज़ द वर्ब हेयर. सो प्लेइंग वॉट, वो क्या खेल रहे हैं? प्लेइंग हॉकी. सो हेयर द ऑब्जेक्ट इज हॉकी. सो they are playing hockey. So the person or thing that receives the action of the verb, that is termed as object. So in case of transitive verb, the presence of object is must. Means object होना चाहिए जो receive करेगा action को. अगर ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं प्रेजेंट है देन द वर्ब इज नॉट अ ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. सो अ ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब इज एन एक्शन वर्ब दैट इज फॉलोड बाय अ नाउन और अ प्रोनाउन दैट रिसीव्स द एक्शन. ओके, अ ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब हैज़ अ डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. नाउ ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब्स के पास ऑब्जेक्ट होता है. नाउ द ऑब्जेक्ट जो है इट कैन बी डायरेक्ट ऑल्सो एंड इट कैन बी इनडायरेक्ट ऑल्सो. अब वो किस तरह होगा, कैसे हम आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे कि वेदर द ऑब्जेक्ट इज़ डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट, दैट ऑल्सो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. सो अभी हम समझते हैं कि ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. सो आई थिंक नाउ ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब इज़ क्लियर टू यू ऑल. सो जो वर्ब्स में ऑब्जेक्ट प्रेजेंट होगा सिंपली, ठीक है, जो वर्ब्स के पास ऑब्जेक्ट होगा टू रिसीव द एक्शन, in order to receive the action, such verbs will be termed as transitive verb. For example, एक और example देखते हैं. My mother polished the vase. Now here polishing, polish is the verb. Now here the verb action is received by an object, and what is the object here? The object is vase. So vase is receiving the action of the verb and that action is polishing. तो vase जो है वो polish हो रहा है. So here it is again a transitive verb. Now let's see few more example. Loisa threw the ball. Now threw is the verb here. Now threw what? Threw the ball. So ball is here the direct object. Okay. When you asked a question like what or who, so threw what? Threw the ball. So the ball is the object which is receiving the action of the verb threw. Okay. Threw is the verb and ball is the object. Next, Loisa dropped her hat. Now dropped what? Dropped hat. So hat is again object here and that object is receiving the action of the verb. And what is the verb here? That is dropped. So this is a transitive verb. Now let's talk about intransitive verbs. Now intransitive verbs that does not have a direct object. the verbs which does not have any object. There is no object to receive the action of the verb. So such verbs are termed as intransitive verb. Now the sun rises in the east. So here rises is the verb. Verb is present but it does not have any object. So it is a intransitive verb. She walks quickly. Walks is a verb but walks what? Walks who? We are not getting any answer. So again it is a intransitive verb. Let's see few more example like the child cried aloud. Now cried is the verb here but there is no object. So again it is a intransitive verb. Now let's see few more example. I ate meat. Now I ate what? Ate what? That is meat. So here the meat is the object and it is receiving the action of the verb. Now verb is ate, so it is a transitive verb. I ate at 7 o'clock. I eat at 7 o'clock. So again here eat is the verb but there is no object to receive that action. So it is a intransitive verb. Now so the verb that does not send its action to a word is called an intransitive verb. Now let's see. The crowd cheered the batter. Now cheered what? So very important thing here कि you should ask a question. हमें question पूछना है verb के बाद. This you have to remember. जहाँ भी verb present है उसके बाद आप question पूछोगे and question word will be what और who. हमें what और who क्वेश्चन पूछना है. If you are getting the answer of what and who, what or who, whatever, so then it is a transitive verb. If you are not getting any answer, then it is a intransitive verb. So in this way also you can identify whether it is the sentence has transitive verb or intransitive verb. Like the crowd cheered the batter. Now cheered what? That is batter. So what we have got the answer what? People cheered widely. Now cheered what? You are not getting the answer. It is you are getting the question cheered how? कैसे cheered किया? So if we do not get the answer of what or who, then it is not a transitive verb. It is an intransitive verb. So always ask question who or what. So this is the simplest way to identify the transitive or intransitive verb. My dad jumped high. Jumped what? Jumped who? No, you are not getting answer after the verb, but you are getting the answer of jumped how. So it is a intransitive verb. Next example. Last year students jumped the gate. Jumped what? That is the gate. So again you have got here the answer of jumped what? So it is a transitive verb. A sixth grader jumped a grade. Now jumped what? Again you have got the answer, that is a grade. So again it is a transitive verb. Now linking verbs are always intransitive. They do not express action. Now linking verbs होती हैं जो कि link करती हैं sentences को, जिनको helping verbs भी हम बोलते हैं sometimes. The ravens are the swimmers. So here again it is a intransitive verb. There is no object. They seem triumphant about their victory. This is again an intransitive verb because there is no object. The team is in first place now. So this is again an example of intransitive verb. Now let's see few more example of intransitive. She hesitated for a moment. They skate beautifully together. The baby is sleeping. The wind blew hard. The spark plugs fired. The water is running. The population grew. So here there is no object. So all these sentences they have a intransitive verb. So I hope now this transitive and intransitive verb, the basics of these verbs is clear to you. How to identify. Now now it is easy for you to identify by using the word who or what for a direct object. This is for a direct object. Please remember this. I am talking about direct object. Now there is one more, in case of transitive verbs, the object can be indirect also, and how to identify the indirect object, that we are will be understanding, will be covering in the next lecture. So this is all for this lecture. Thank you, student.